guys, today we're going to make a snow volcano. It's quite simple to do and very amusing for kids.
Alright, first you'll start by making a big pile of snow.
How high do I need this to be?
Higher. Okay, is that big enough?
Yep.
Alright, now you're going to do a little hole at the top in here. I think you should maybe scoop it out. Oh my.
Lincoln! Lincoln!
Then you'll add your glass or container and try surrounding it with snow so you can barely see it. Pour in some vinegar, add a squirt of dish soap, and some food coloring. We're doing red and orange. You gotta open it.
Oh my god!
Then once you're all ready, dump in some baking soda. Dump it fast.
So funky. Okay.
Here it goes.
There. There's a chemical reaction there.
Yeah.
That's like the one we didn't know which one.
You want to do it again?
Yeah. Actually, yes. Look, see how much I put in it? That's a volcano. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.